Hi, Keith. Thanks for talking to me again.
Thanks, Kyle.
I was wondering something. As organizations move into enterprise imaging with multiple systems working together, what risks do you see from the clinician side?
Yeah, that's a great question. What we've seen is that clinicians trust their imaging environment 100%. And, coming out of the gate, most PACS and VNA vendors are not 100% accurate in the way that they store and update their data. And maybe just to expand a little bit further, there's human error that happens within any imaging department, within any support team that you get into an environment where many of these hospitals and these large groups are storing millions of studies a year. We cannot, as a as an imaging support team, monitor every single image that is stored. And what I mean by that is those workflows that are performed by humans, right? Human error can sometimes be disrupted. Studies could be stored incorrectly. They could be performed on the incorrect patient, or it could be the patient has multiple studies and the wrong images are attached to the wrong study. So, in order for accuracy to happen, um, those systems and those workflows need to be monitored all the time. And what we've seen is there's could be up to a 5% error rate within the PACS and VNA where that data is not accurate. It's not up to date in both systems at the same time. And that poses a significant risk for the clinician when they're on the floor or in the OR and they're launching that study. They need to be accurate 100% of the time. And in today's world, they're just not.
I don't see how a clinician could trust the system if one out of every 20 or if you said 5% of the data is wrong. That's pretty shocking.
Yeah, and like I said, most environments, most clinicians don't really know this fact, that that data might not be in sync. They're trusting that environment to to be updated and to be accurate. And a lot of let's just face it, the PACS administrators, the enterprise imaging administrators, the directors of these environments, they are not aware that this is an issue. And I think we're having this discussion to let people know that this data is not being maintained accurately or up to date in real time.
Wow, that's sobering information. Thanks for sharing that, Keith.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Kyle.